2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 52,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.